Welcome to Food Formulas. Let's make shawarma sandwich. Take 1 tablespoon oil, butter, ghee. Add 1 cup chicken. Fry them until it turns white. Now add 1 small onion cut in cubes. Sauté onion for 1 minute. Now add ½ cup carrots cut in cubes. Now again sauté carrots until they become soft. Now add capsicum cut in cubes. Mix them well. After 1 minute, add 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon chili sauce. Cook veggies them in these sauces. ½ teaspoon chili flakes. Give it a mix. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix spices. Cover them and cook until water dry. Our mixture is ready. Take pita bread. Spread chili garlic sauce. Now spread mayonnaise sauce. Now spread the mixture we prepared. Now spread some cheese. Put second pita bread on it. Now again spread cheese on second pita bread. Sprinkles some chili flakes. Also add some capsicum on the top. Now carefully put the bread in pan. Cocoa could be covered and cook for 4 minutes on low flame. Cook when the top cheese is melted, our sandwich shawarma is ready. Miziminit a minute a muin or unyuned. Cut them in equal pieces. Looking so tempting and cheese. I hope you like the recipe. Like, subscribe, and share.